we can also set, for example, images. And for this, let me go into About AdOc Studio, copy the image, close our window, and hit Command V to insert the image. Name, format, and so on looks good. So hit Enter, and I get the image directly in our project. The image itself is fine, but I don't like how it's formatted as of now. So I want to align it in the center. I want to have it a bit smaller, but the problem is I'm still a complete newbie to AsciiDoc. I don't know how to basically work the syntax. And for this case, we've got a super cool feature, which is the adoc coach. So what is the adoc coach? Basically, the adoc coach is a completion menu. It allows you to understand the AsciiDoc syntax without browsing forums, internet threads, and so on for hours, because it's directly built into our software. Simply what you have to do is hit the escape key, and directly at your cursor, you can see all the different options of syntax elements that are currently possible at that exact position. It suggests different elements, and it also explains them, so you know what it is and how to use it for later references as well. So let's do it with the image. In these square brackets, we can normally enter the parameters. So over here, I simply hit the escape key, and you can see the adoc coach popping off. What I now do is go up and down with the arrow keys through the list until I find elements that I want to integrate. So for example, I wanted, as I said, reduce the size. That is done, for example, with the parameter width. I hit on enter and I type in the size in pixels. So let's say 200 pixels for now. It's a bit smaller. Maybe to make it a bit more obvious, let's go with 100 pixels. So you can see it immediately changes the size. Now I said I wanted to align the image in the center. So extra parameters can be added by entering a comma, and then already adoc coach is popping up again. And I see the first instance is align center. That's exactly what I want. And you can directly see in the preview, our image is now perfectly aligned in the center of the preview. So that's it for images.